Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Angelina Sánchez Rincón y hoy les vengo a hablar sobre esta zona turística. The water of the Virgin is located in Ocaña, norte de Santander, in a small mountain of cold climate. You can go to pray, trance or pay a promise. It is also a place to reflect and buy some religious items. You don't have to wear good clothes. You must wash your face yourself. Wait from the sun on the beach. You have to go in the morning. Here, the full mass. You must bring liquor. If you go at night, some might how the ordinary will come out. If you make a promise of the Virgin and wash yourself with water, you will be held. You can go any day, but during Holy Week it is sensational. You feel the positive energy. You can stay in the center of Ocaña. There are some cheap and nice hotels. You must hear the famous arepas stuffed ocañeras. To drink nothing like a good glass of orange lemonade that is sold on the outside on Agua de la Virgen. To you can use public transport and it is very cheap. There is also the taxi service. Spanish is spoken, but before that there are some autochthonous words on the region. The Colombian peasants in whose hand they do not have teeth in the place.